Holy smokes. It is windy. Look at that beer. I mean, I know Lake Superior usually gets waves like this, but it's usually a hell of a lot windier up there.
This is surfing type shit.
You couldn't pay me enough to surf on that. No, thank you. Shut that off.
Fucking birds, man, they're all just sitting there fucking jumping and flying and shit.
I know. Well, one of the birds I saw, they can't, was having a hard time flying. Yeah, see, look at that one.
No, they're gliding. That's all they're doing. They're gliding. They're just playing.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe he was trying to fly away.
They love wind like this, dude. They love it. They love it.
All right.
Look at all them motherfuckers just sitting there in the fucking water.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna stand on top of the sandhill and get some more videos, but no thanks. That wind is just brutal right now. Bad enough I got hit in the eyes with sand. Man.
You wanna go walk in the pier?
No thanks. Imagine being in that lighthouse, though.
I'm gonna have to go there to walk there to do shit.
Yeah. Man, this wind, it's rocking my truck, too.